You want to work out, but you don't want to ruin your curls. Can you actually have a regular workout routine with curly hair? I'm going to be sharing how I protect my curls at the gym to preserve my curls and my scalp with a few little hacks along the way. So let's go ahead. So first off, I thought it'd be helpful for me to talk through my current workout schedule and how I plan my wash days around my workouts. So I personally work out about 3 times a week at the moment, and I try to align 2 of those workouts with a wash day, and then the third one I kind of wear my hair as it was, or I will wear it up in a bun if there's really no saving the curls. So today is a workout day, but I've actually already washed my hair this morning and I'm about to go and work out now. I wouldn't normally line it up like that. I would normally work out first and then wash my hair. Makes sense, right? But it just didn't work out today with my schedule. But that makes it the perfect time for me to show you how I wear my hair at the gym to protect and preserve my curls. So first off, let me just get into my gym clothes. Ta-da! The first step of preserving your wash day starts with preserving your scalp, and this isn't something that I always do because, as I said, I'll often wash my hair right after my workout. But today, because I'm not going to be doing that, I am going to be trying to preserve my scalp. So what I do is actually spray dry shampoo on my scalp before I work out. And this is more of a preventative measure to prevent your scalp from getting really greasy. It's going to help to soak up some of the sweat while you're in the gym, and then when you get back you can shake your hair out and it will help get rid of some of that sweat. And I'm going to give it a little rub in just so it's not like white all over my scalp, but I don't want to rub it too much because I don't want to rub all the dry shampoo away, because otherwise it's not going to be able to do its job. Because the whole point of dry shampoo is you shake your roots and then the dirt and grime gets removed when you shake it, so I don't want to shake it too much. This is the Living Proof Advanced Clean dry shampoo, by the way. I absolutely love this dry shampoo. It's definitely a dry shampoo that does what it says. I really do feel like it cleans my scalp and it smells really nice as well. I always get compliments when I've got this in my hair, and usually when I've got this in my hair's not clean. Next up, you'll need your accessories. So I'm going to be using 1 silk scrunchie and some little mini claw clips. This silk scrunchie is from Curlfriend Collective. It's a hair match one to match my ginger locks, and this one is from Silk London. I absolutely love both of these, to be honest. They're very similar in terms of their thickness, how big they are. I really like both of them. I'll link them both in the description below. How I wear my hair at the gym is so similar to how I wear my hair at night. It's pretty much the same bun. So the first thing I'm going to do is section off my face framing pieces, and I'm going to clip these separately. So I'm going to flip all my head forward, section my face framing pieces off, and this will probably be a different amount for everyone depending on how short your hair is here. You can really take as much or as little as you want. That's about the amount that I usually take, because these are the bits that are going to get really stretched out if they're pulled up with all of your hair. So you want to clip them separately so they don't stretch out as much. And then I'm just going to take my hair into a pineapple bun. You can just pull it into a pineapple if your hair is shorter and then follow the steps after the bun bit. So I twist it once, bring it forward into a bun, and put these this side. And then with the excess here, I'm just going to clip all of the excess. These little mini claw clips are from Boots and they are so strong. I used to buy the ones from Primark, but these ones, not one of these has broken yet. Just clipping that in like that. And I have all this excess just to clip up like this. And we're going to the gym, not a fashion show. It doesn't really matter how your hair looks. The way I see it is, as long as the curls are protected, who cares? But I actually think this looks quite nice as far as protective gym hairstyles go. So yeah, that is literally all I do to wear my hair at the gym to protect my curls. I'm gonna go and work out now, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. I usually start off with a cardio warm up, and you can see how my hair holds up while running here. And then I mostly do strength training, and that was a tough squat. I'm back from the gym. I gave myself a little bit of time to cool down so I'm not as hot as I was when I left the gym. I am gonna go and jump in the shower. With this hairstyle, you kind of want to take it down as soon as possible because you want to let the roots air out, especially if you're not going to be washing your hair. Usually I'll do that in the shower, but there is something you can do in the shower if your roots are really sweaty and you want to get rid of some of the sweat. I usually do this with my hair still up in its bun. Take some water from the shower so your hands are wet. sweat, massage your scalp, wash your hands under the water to rinse off the sweat, and then just kind of repeat that across your head just to kind of remove some of the water. And because you're only wetting your roots, it won't wet the rest of your hair, and you can just diffuse your roots dry after your shower. I'm not going to do that today because I don't really think I need to. I think airing it out in a bit of dry shampoo will be enough. So I'm going to head in the shower now and I'll be back. Okay, I am back from my shower and this is how my hair is looking. So I've shaken it out in the steam and I usually let it settle after my shower. I don't really tend to do much to it. I'll put a couple of root clips in just to lift my hair off my roots and maybe let my roots air out a little bit. If your roots are sweaty or you did the water hack to remove some of the sweat in the shower, then you'll want to diffuse your roots dry. Mine got a little bit wet in the shower as I was demonstrating, so I'm just going to diffuse them dry now. And now that my roots are fully dry, I'm going to shake my hair at the roots, and this is going to remove the dry shampoo that I put in my hair before I went to the gym. And you can add a little bit more dry shampoo if you feel that your roots are a bit greasy. Wait for 30 seconds for it to do its thing and absorb all the sweat, and shake it out. And I'm just going to twirl these bits to help redefine them. Something that is so common is for these bits here to stretch out, and mine have stretched out a bit, but because of how I'm wearing my hair, it's not really noticeable. If it does bother you though, you have somewhere to be and you want your hair to be more defined, then you can do a spot refresh in this area. So just take something like the Umberto Giannini curl refresh and just literally spritz it over that area, redefine it, diffuse it, and then that will be done. I personally think the best way to refresh your hair after a gym workout is a spot refresh, because not all parts of your hair are going to be ruined, and if they are, then I'll probably just wash my hair, to be honest. I'll link my how to refresh your curls video above, because I think there's 6 different refresh methods in that video, so yeah, that should be helpful for you for a refresh. If you find that your hair is really stretched out at the roots but your curls still look good, just put a little headband in. I absolutely love this one. It's from a small business called 9 Designs. I'll link it below. So that's a way that you can get away with wearing your curls for a bit longer but not worrying about the roots being stretched out. And there we go, that is my post-gym hair. I think you can agree that they've held up pretty well considering I have my hair tied up. As I said, that is also how I protect my hair overnight. That is literally the only hairstyle that keeps my curls intact. I think it is because the face framing pieces are clipped out separately, so it just makes such a difference. But yeah, that is literally how I protect my curls at the gym. That's what works for me, and to be honest, half the time I don't even use dry shampoo because I just end up washing my hair. As I said, I do wash my hair twice a week. I work out 3 times a week. That is what works for me, my schedule, my routine. Obviously, if you work out more, then you may have to wash your hair more than twice a week. Our scalps can get very irritated if there's a lot of sweat on them and they're not being washed. So yeah, just be mindful of that. Keep an eye on it and see what your scalp prefers. Some people can work out every day and only wash their hair once a week, but some people need to wash their hair every day. It really is different for everyone. Let me know in the comments what works for you. How do you preserve your curls while you're at the gym? Do you find that it stops you from working out because you can't fit a wash day within your schedule and your workouts? Let me know. And as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.